Welcome to our journey across the globe, capturing the most breathtaking places on Earth from above. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life to the serene mountain peaks piercing the clouds, we'll witness the awe-inspiring beauty of our planet. Get ready to be amazed by the stunning beauty of our planet as seen through the lens of a drone, capturing perspectives rarely seen by human eyes. Our first destination takes us to a remote archipelago, where specks of emerald green are scattered like jewels upon a canvas of the deepest blue. As our drone ascends, we are greeted by a sight of almost unimaginable perfection. The water, so clear you can see the ocean floor, shimmers under the tropical sun. Below, the beach stretches like a ribbon of pure white sand, fringed by gently swaying palm trees. This is a place untouched by the hand of man, a true tropical paradise. Now we journey to the heart of a great mountain range, where jagged peaks pierce the heavens, their summits capped with pristine snow. These majestic giants stand as silent guardians, their rocky slopes bearing the marks of millennia. Observe the intricate patterns etched by wind and water, a testament to the relentless forces that have shaped our planet. A profound sense of tranquility washes over us as we realize the insignificant scale of our own existence against the backdrop of these ancient titans. Our journey continues to a place of stillness and reflection. Nestled amongst rolling hills, a serene lake lies undisturbed, its surface a perfect mirror reflecting the sky above. The water, a deep sapphire blue, is ringed by a verdant forest, its trees a kaleidoscope of greens. This tranquil scene reminds us of the delicate balance of nature, a reminder to appreciate the quiet beauty that surrounds us. Chapter 4. The Shifting Sands of Time. Prepare to be transported to a realm of stark beauty, where the landscape is both mesmerizing and unforgiving. The desert, with its endless horizons and golden hues, invites us to explore its mysteries. Here the wind whispers tales of time and change, sculpting the sands into ever-shifting forms. Each gust of wind carries with it the history of this ancient land, a narrative written in grains of sand. The desert, a vast expanse of undulating dunes, stretches out before us, an ocean of sand sculpted by the tireless wind. These dunes, constantly reshaped, stand as a testament to the relentless forces of nature. An ocean of sand sculpted by the tireless wind. The sheer scale of this arid landscape is humbling, a reminder of the immense power and beauty of the natural world. The sheer scale of this arid landscape is humbling, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. The desert's vastness can make one feel small, yet it also inspires awe and wonder. A testament to the power of nature's artistry. The interplay of light and shadow across the dunes creates a mesmerizing dance, a visual symphony that changes with the time of day, yet even here life finds a way. Amidst the harsh conditions, resilient plants and animals have adapted to survive. These hardy species are a testament to the tenacity of life. Observe the delicate tracks of creatures that call this harsh environment home, each footprint telling a story of survival and adaptation. These tracks are a silent testament to the hidden life that thrives here, a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected of places. The desert, with its stark beauty and hidden life, teaches us that even in the harshest conditions there is wonder to be found. Chapter 5. A Kaleidoscope of Life. Our drone now plunges beneath the waves, taking us to a hidden world teeming with life. This is a coral reef, a vibrant underwater city that rivals any metropolis in its diversity and splendor. Corals of every imaginable shape and color create an intricate labyrinth home to a dazzling array of marine life. Fish, shimmering like jewels, dart in and out of the coral, while graceful rays glide effortlessly through the crystal-clear water. This underwater paradise is a testament to the incredible biodiversity of our planet. Chapter 6. The Emerald Embrace. From the depths of the ocean we ascend to the heights of a lush rainforest, a place where the air is thick with moisture and the scent of earth and leaves fills your senses. Here the canopy stretches out like a vast green ocean, a living, breathing entity that supports an incredible diversity of life. This is a place where life flourishes in its most vibrant form. The forest floor is a mosaic of colors and textures, with plants and fungi of every shape and size competing for light and nutrients. Vines snake their way up towering trees, while epiphytes cling to branches high above. A dense canopy of trees, their leaves 1,000 shades of green, stretches out as far as the eye can see. This canopy is not just a roof over the forest, it is a complex, multi-layered habitat that supports countless species of plants, animals, and insects. This is a world teeming with life, from the smallest insects to the largest mammals. Each creature plays a vital role in the ecosystem, contributing to the delicate balance that sustains the forest. Birds of every color flit through the trees, while monkeys swing from branch to branch in search of food, all interconnected in a delicate web of interdependence. The plants provide food and shelter for the animals, while the animals help to pollinate the plants and disperse their seeds. This intricate dance of life has evolved over millions of years, creating a system that is both resilient and fragile. The air is thick with the sounds of the forest, a symphony of life that is both soothing and invigorating. The calls of birds, the rustle of leaves, and the hum of insects create a constant background of sound that is never silent, even in the dead of night. A symphony of chirps, calls, and rustling leaves, each sound a testament to the vibrant life that thrives here. The forest is alive with movement and sound, a dynamic and ever-changing environment that is both beautiful and awe-inspiring. A testament to the sheer abundance of life in this emerald embrace. This rainforest is a precious jewel, a vital part of our planet's ecosystem that must be protected and preserved for future generations to appreciate and cherish. Chapter 7. A Tapestry of Tranquility. Our journey takes us now to a place of gentle beauty, where rolling hills are blanketed in a patchwork of fields and forests. This is the countryside, a landscape shaped by generations of farmers who have lived in harmony with the land. Observe the winding rivers reflecting the sky like silver ribbons, and the quaint villages nestled amongst the fields. This is a place of peace and tranquility, a reminder of a simpler way of life. Chapter 8. A symphony in steel and glass. From the tranquility of the countryside, we now soar above a bustling metropolis, a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, their glass facades reflecting the setting sun in a dazzling display of light and color. Below, the city streets teem with life, a constant flow of vehicles and pedestrians, all moving to the rhythm of urban life. This is a place of energy and excitement, a hub of human creativity and innovation. Chapter 9. Nature's Raw Power. Our penultimate destination takes us to a place of raw power and breathtaking beauty. A waterfall, a cascade of white water, plunges over a sheer cliff face, its roar a deafening symphony of nature's might. The mist rises from the base of the falls, creating a rainbow that arches across the sky. This is a place of awe and wonder, a reminder of the sheer force of nature. Chapter 10. Celestial Dance. Our final destination takes us to the far north, where the night sky comes alive with a magical display of light and color. The northern lights, a celestial ballet of greens, blues, and purples, dance across the sky, illuminating the landscape below with an ethereal glow. This breathtaking phenomenon, caused by charged particles from the sun interacting with the Earth's atmosphere, is a reminder of the vastness and wonder of the universe that surrounds us. Outro, our pledge to protect. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey across our planet, a testament to the breathtaking beauty and diversity of our world. From the lush rainforests to the arid deserts, from the towering mountains to the vibrant coral reefs, each location has showcased the wonders of our natural world. The intricate balance of these ecosystems is a reminder of how interconnected we all are. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content showcasing the beauty and fragility of our planet. Your engagement helps us spread awareness and inspire action to protect these precious environments. See you in the next adventure, where we will delve deeper into the stories of the people and wildlife that call these places home. Together we can make a difference, Join us as we continue to explore and marvel at the wonders of our world and work towards a sustainable future for generations to come.